Hi y'all, truck driver Linda.
Hi y'all, truck driver Paul, sitting up front in my usual spot.
He's up there out of the way. Fall is definitely here. Winter in some places. Snow. There's snow at home in Missouri. There was actually a delay this morning for the grandkids going to school because of snow. I got a phone call waking me up. Our grandson V was calling. He's like, we're delayed 2 hours, so I thought I'd call. I'm like, oh baby, I love you so much. That was awesome that he called. We're in California, but we're in the northern part of California where it's much colder than down around LA. So it's very chilly. It's cool. Okay, it's cold. People are walking around out here with ski caps on. What are we making today?
Nice fall day.
What are we gonna make?
I feel like some baked apples.
Baked apples. I know, right? It is a good day for baked apples, actually. So, first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your lunchbox with your pan. And I've got about 1/4 cup of water here. Let's get y'all down. There's about 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to add that to the pan, just like that. And I just want it to start getting hot with the pan. So I'm just going to let that preheat while I get the apples and everything ready to go. All right. So what we're going to do first is I've got, it's not quite 1/2 cup of packed, and this is dark brown sugar. If you have light brown sugar, you can use that as well. It's going to end up being 2 tablespoons per apple is what you need. In here I've got 3 teaspoons of white sugar. In here, I've got, I know it seems like a lot, but I've got 3 teaspoons of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. In there. We're going to mix this all up together. So now that that's done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to core the apple, because you want to core it, but you don't want to go all the way through to the bottom. And I don't have an apple core, so I'm going to show you what to do if you don't have an apple core on the truck and how to not go through to the bottom. Alright, so to core your apple, all you need is a spoon, and it needs to be a metal spoon and not a plastic spoon. And you just go in and pick the core out with it. Just like that. And then all I'm going to do as well is I'm just going to peel a little bit from the top. Just kind of like that. About 1/4 of the way to halfway down. I guess I should have said I'm going to do 3 apples. Get rid of this. Then get your pan out of your lunchbox. And I'm just going to set my 3 apples down in the, right down in the water right there, just like that. And then you're going to take your sugar mixture here and add it to the center of the apples. Okay. All right. Tablespoon of butter or margarine per apple, and just dab it right on top, just like that. Okay, just like that. Piece of aluminum foil, and cover it. You just cover it loosely, it doesn't have to be tight. Put it back in your lunchbox. That's it. 1 hour. That's all it's going to take. 1 little old hour. So, we're on a hot load. We're going to roll for an hour, and then we'll stop and check it. Y'all ready to check this? It smells so good, doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, it does.
Alright. Out. Close that back up. Oh, it looks so good. Let's get y'all. Oh. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to serve it up. We'll get Paul back here. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take an apple and a little bit of the sauce and drizzle some of that in there too. So that's all I'm going to do to serve it up. So we're going to get Paul back here. We know he's going to love it. I think we're going to fight over that extra apple. My thought was we could do 1.5, but we may have to fight over that one. Alright, let's give it a try. Oh God, they look so good. They go really good with ice cream, but we don't have any ice cream. It would go really good with ice cream though.
They are good.
How is it?
Real good.
Oh my gosh. It's freaking delicious. Really, it's excellent on a cool fall day to have baked apples. And they make your truck smell so good. Like, people walk by outside and you could swear they smell that cinnamon and nutmeg. Oh my gosh. Paul's gonna lick the bowl.
If I had a big enough tongue, I definitely would lick this bowl.
So are we gonna fight over this third apple? There's one more apple. Are we gonna fight over it?
Mm-hmm. That is so good.
All right, we are on a really hot load, and we're falling a little bit behind, so we got it. That's all we got for this week. We got to wrap it all up.
See ya.
Thanks for watching, y'all.
Gotta go.
Oh, channel changes. Super quick. I know. Channel changes. So we have a subscriber named Michelle, and she'd been asking about the setup in our truck. So, and it's getting colder for the travel videos. I think we're going to try to replace some of the Tuesday videos with some truck setup videos. So keep your fingers crossed. It's in the works. We're trying to get it organized, and he's tapping because we got to go. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Let us know if you make it. Bye, y'all.
See you next stop.
Yep. Bye, y'all.